Alright, we're gonna do the Granny 3 practice mode plane escape. Let's do it! Alright, we're here. Okay, let's unlock the door and see what if we get. So is there anything in here? No. Nothing? Okay. Okay, let's go to the train area. Whoa. The plank. Okay. We don't need that because the bush crank is in there. So, okay. Where could everything be? Okay, so let's see. Where is I don't know. Matches? I don't know. I think the electric switch is up there. Maybe I need that? Padlock key. I don't know where the electric switch is at. Okay, so we got the matches. Oh, I know where the train key is. The teddy. Yes, the train key is in there. But I think the coconut is where that thing is at, the coin. So, Man, I have to unlock this door again. Where is it? Okay, here it is. Okay, there it is. There you are, Slendrina. What are you gonna give me? Safety. You normally give me the padlock here, I guess. You usually give us the weapon key, but I am more. Let's look in here. Yes, the train key is in here, but we need the coin, wherever it is. Where's the coconut? I think I know where the coconut is at. I think I know where it is. Is it in here? I think it's in here. Nope. Here. With the weapon keys in here. Yes, we need that. The weapon key. That's where the weapon key's at. Okay, so I don't know where is the coconut is that. Okay, I don't know if there's anything in here. I don't know. It's either in the padlock safe or with the bird. Is the electric switch. So it might be in here. I hope the electric switch is up here. Oh, the shed key. Nope, not the electric switch, but that's actually where the padlock key is at. Hope I don't die. Okay, good, I didn't die. There's the firewood. Okay, so we did the firewood. Where is everything else at? Okay, we got the accelerator. So, wait. The weapon key. We need the padlock key. But wait a minute. Where is even the coconut? The coconut is not in here. Where is the coconut? It's somewhere over here. Hoping. Yeah, but it's definitely not in there. Oh, that's not good. Coconut? Coconut? Where is that coconut? No, it's not in here either. Oh, maybe we should use the crank. The bridge crank. Yeah, we should use the bridge crank. I think, yeah, I need the padlock key. Oh, yep, I need the weapon key too. It's in one of the boxes. That's where it is. That's where it is. Okay. Okay, so we don't have to worry about Granny and Grandpa. So, the weapon key's in the... Why do I always do that? Really? Anything in here? No. No, 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 no. It's right here. It's right here. Right here. There it is. Yay, we now need stone. It's in... There it is. Stone. I don't want to go in there or the crocodile will eat me. So... Let's go! We do need the padlock key because I think that's where the electric switch is at. Why do I always go to the room? I don't know why. Because we need it! Ah, come on! I know where all the other items are at. Fuse, but we don't need that. Let's go here. Okay, now we got it. Okay. Nope, the generator cable. Okay, generator cable. That's what we don't need. Of course, we need the crowbar from the old Sandrina's room. Oh, because we opened the shed, we should get the power back on. But that's from the front gate mostly. Or did the fruit elevator on. But I have to go to here. Yes, the coconut! The coconut! I mean, we got it. Wow, it only been 9 minutes, so not that long at all. Oh, yay, the coin! The coin out! Okay, so we got it now. There's the generator cable. Oh, we need to go up. There it is, train ticket. There's a slingshot, we need that. There we go, now you can open that. stones. This is the stones now. Okay, we need a... Come on. Hope that those are torn stones or no. Yes! Stones! Finally! Oh, it's just not that far. Oh, finally. Finally! There's pistol. Ah, battle. Let's now go back to get the slingshot. And we're getting out of here. Woohoo! Let's do it! Also, they opened the door. You can see that. Ah, better. Now let's get the slingshot. Oh no. Here it is. Come on. At least it didn't went on the other side. Yeah. Okay, at least they put the faces over there. Also, the cobalt is back over here. For some reason. Okay. Get that vase. Come on, vase. Okay, so let's pull up this one first. Okay. Almost there. We almost finished this game. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so... Okay, we need to open the padlock. Let's put the train key in. Let's put the train key in there. Okay, the train key, it goes in the train. Yeah, it does. Okay, so there it is. It's open. I do need an accelerator, so... Okay, and the electric switch is over there. There it is, the starting of all of it. There it is. The starting of it. There it is. I want to have it. I need to get the accelerator. Man, it's down in the stair in the shed. I don't need any stone. Yeah, I only been 14 minutes in recording now. So, yeah, it only been 14 minutes. The accelerator's in here. There's the shed key. And now let's get it. I should have went through this. We're crazy, man. Okay, there it is. Let's put the accelerator in. You don't have to do the robot now. Of course, the train has no power. We need to put the electric switch, which may be in the padlock safe. it's not in there, who knows where it is? Ah, man. I'm gonna get the other vase. And then I'll get the padlock key. The vases are gonna get it all. Okay, we did it. The padlock key, Mike. We're going to it. Yeah. Okay, there we go. We almost there. We just need to put the padlock key in. And the padlock key is way over here. This isn't not in it. Wish it was in the train. Really? Oh, there it is. Yep. Finally, the electric switch. Let's put it in. Open this door. I'm gonna be quiet so you can hear it. It's Sporty Accelerator. So that was it. On Granny 3, practice mode, trying to skip. It only took 27.5 minutes.